deer snapping by the lake. B is for bear, who loves to bake a cake. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who wants to play. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for frog, who loves to jump. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with happy feet. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jaguar, fast as light. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, who roars non-stop. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for nightingale, singing in the sky. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for quail, quick and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake,